and welcome to Looking at the Markets. I want to show you the stock charts that I'll be looking at for the coming week. These are daily candlestick charts provided by finviz.com, and I want to start with Amazon stock. AMZN is the stock ticker symbol, and you know what the old saying is. I've said it many times. Former support levels can easily become resistance levels when a stock breaks down. And so that's what we have. A textbook example with Amazon. We've got former support at $100 per share, bouncing off of support again and again, and then not bouncing. It works until it doesn't. Broke down below it, and now what was support is now resistance after the breakdown, hitting its head on that ceiling there, here and now here again. And so watch out for that $100 level. It's resistance until proven otherwise. And so if we see a nice green candle with a breakout above 100, that could be pretty encouraging. Until then, caution is advised. SunPower stock, SPWR, is the ticker symbol, coming down to a level that I think is pretty significant. $16 for SPWR stock. Again, support sometimes, but then, yeah, lots of support here. As you can see, nice bounce, coming down. Now, if it breaks down below it, watch out, because then it could become resistance at $16. But for now, it's support, and it bounced off of $16 on Friday very neatly. So looking pretty encouraging and looking like a pretty good price, actually, for that stock if you're interested in it. Of course, you have to make your own decisions, do your own due diligence. Don't ever buy something just because somebody in a video says so, okay? You have to do what's right for you. Pepsi stock, PEP, is the ticker symbol. And yes, you have an important level here, I'd say, at 162.50. Sure, that's what FinViz drew. But it also drew an upward trending channel here, which I really like. And look how well its Pepsi stock is respecting that channel there. Yeah, it's almost picture perfect. And so it's coming down very close to that rising support level. I like it. If it comes down to that level and lands gently on it like it did here and here, then that could be looking real good, really good. Ford stock, ticker symbol F. And yeah, we have a descending triangle. That is true. I like the support here. I like how many data points I see at $11. Bounced here, then here, then here a couple times, and here. Not exactly. Okay, it's not an exact science all the time with these chart patterns. So you have multiple data points for 11. So if it comes down to 11, yeah, I'll be looking at it for sure. Now you do have, because it's a descending triangle, you do have a falling in a declining resistance level here. So be aware of that price action is getting tighter and tighter. Those bounces are not as robust. So something to be aware of. I still like it at 11 though. Waste Management, WM. I don't know if people look at this stock as much as they maybe should. It's one that I like personally. Now you have a symmetrical triangle here though. Okay, so you have narrowing price action, but then what happened? It broke down below it. So this kind of invalidates the symmetrical triangle there. There's still resistance though at 167.50. Interesting number for Waste Management WM stock. Bounced off of 150 on Friday or thereabouts. Is that a support level? Yes, somewhat. I see one data point, 2, 3, 4 now. Okay, that's a significant level, 150. Is it buyable here? I mean, I kind of like it here. I would like it a lot more down here, of course. I think I'll be patient, wait for 140 is what I really want to do. LLY, Eli Lilly stock. This one has support, but it's not until down here, till 320. That's a very significant level. Again, we see a pattern here. We have resistance, became support, became resistance, became support. A level can flip back and forth depending on where the candles are, above or below. So I want to see LLY stock come down to 320 before I really get interested in it, because that seems to be a very significant level. AG, First Majestic Silver stock. You could wait until it reaches $7, or you could start buying at $8, which is about where it landed on Friday. Maybe scale in some at 80 and then scale in some at $7. That's one way to go. Look how much upside there could be. I mean, this was a $14 stock really not that long ago in the grand scheme of things. And CVS stock, ticker symbol CVS, of course. at a nice level. This is my, I would say, well, if I had to pick a number one pick, it would be First Majestic. But then after that, I would say CVS, just because it's so cheap right now, and it's down to a level. I mean, $87 exactly on Friday. Interestingly enough, it's been down pretty close to that, 88.50 or so. Huge bounce down to 87. Huge bounce above 100. Now down to 87 again. No guarantees it's going to bounce again, but that's a pretty good price, and that's what I'm looking at. All right, so be careful out there, folks. Always have an exit strategy and know what you own, but also know why you own it. So thanks a lot for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.